Welcome back. Well, I just made the leeks and I want to have more side dishes. So I'm also going to make roasted beet packages with horseradish butter. And that's why I'm wearing the same as the leek video. And there's going to be a third video because these are all so easy. I can do them in one day, but 3 recipes, 3 videos. Roasted beet packages. Fresh beets are gaining popularity among Irish chefs. In this recipe, the beets are roasted in a foil package, producing wonderfully concentrated flavors and fragrant juices. Horseradish butter makes a piquant contrast to the sweetness of the beets. I have no idea what piquant means. Maybe I'll look it up later. Put it in the description. The recipe, every now and then I read through it, so I have to know a bit what to do, what I need to use, because they don't say the equipment that you need. So, but the little thingy I never read before. Sometimes it goes smooth and sometimes it doesn't, and sometimes I have words I don't know what they mean. But the thing is, the leeks just came out of the oven, did the taste test, video's done. So I turned my oven down to 190 Celsius, 375 Fahrenheit. So I've got beets. I do like beets. I like almost everything. So place, it says 8 small beets peeled and halved. Well, I thought 3 small and 1 big ones, or 2 big ones that I quartered and 2 small ones that I have. So I think I've got a bit of the same sizes. With enough oil to coat, so I'll swirl this around for a bit. Nice sound. Coated. Place 4 beets, halves, and times quick. Oh, so yeah, that's why I need to read, because it's fresh. Everything was going so well, but let's put this on the side and get 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got sprigs. Place 4 bells. So I may have to make 4 packages. Put this on the side. And 1/2. So do it like this, and then 1 of these, sea salt flakes and black pepper. Well, I've got and some sea salt. And as smooth as the other video went, this is a mess again, I think. I have to wrap in a loose package, sealing the edges well. So I have to make 4 of these this kind of package. Let's make more of these, and then I'll make them, and then I have to put them in the oven for an hour, and then we'll continue with the horseradish butter. Maybe this is, I can keep this under 10 minutes too, with my fail a couple of minutes ago, but we'll give it a try. We'll see. I'm finishing this off camera, so because boring, I think. Okay. The beets are still in the oven, so let's make the horseradish butter. And the thing is, I couldn't find fresh, so I just bought this. Let me see what's here. Horseradish, vinegar, oil, water, a lot of things. So I can imagine it's not the same. So I've got some soft butter. Mash all the ingredients with a fork. So butter. There's something in my salt, I think. Or is it pepper? I don't know. Salt. Love pepper. And the extra horseradish with a lot of stuff in it. Because I've been talking about reading through the recipe, and I haven't done that for this, so I was like, right, let's read before I do something else, because the beets still need, well, a lot of minutes. So I read it and I like form it into a log and chill in the refrigerator. So that's why I'm making the butter right now. I think if I look at the picture, mashing it a bit on advice, don't use a small plate like this. But the picture shows less black pepper than I am using, but okay, I think this is well mixed enough. But I do love horseradish. Sandwich with fresh spinach, cheese, Dutch cheese of course, and horseradish is, I think, one of my favorite. Anyway, this is going in the fridge until the beets come out of the oven. Go. And then we'll taste. Okay. Beets are out. Well, one is out of the oven. I took this out. Let it cool for 10 minutes, I think. I mean, I can touch it like this, but it's still warm. Let's open it. I don't know if you can see the steam. Fork. they, on the picture they are a lot darker than mine, but I've got the almost forgot the butter, which isn't really firmed up. So still pretty soft, but probably tastes the same, I think. So a bit of butter on top. Oh. Why didn't I think of that myself? Horseradish butter. Oh. If you do butter first and then anyway. Not sure how. Let's just do it like this. I was afraid that you wouldn't taste the thyme, but I'm really thinking of what I should say about this. Because, well, it's good. I like beets, so, but it's nothing special. There's a hint of the thyme. There's a lot of beet, but well, it's the biggest part. It's a nice size dish, but that's exactly what it is. And I think I did use a little bit too much of the black pepper. I can taste the thyme, but maybe I should have used the leaves and then not the sprig, that it's just more of the flavor, my opinion. But yeah, a bit too much black pepper in this one. Maybe the other one are better, but yeah, it's okay. It was a nice dish. If I compare the two side dishes of the leeks and this one, I prefer the leek. But to everybody his or her own, right? Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have some time and you rather cook your beets in the oven than on the stove, do it. It's a nice way with the horseradish butter. It's a nice touch. So do it. Thanks for watching. Bye.